In a recent hit piece by the Los Angeles Times, it is obvious what is taking place right now. Mainstream media is out to make you think that cryptocurrency serves no purpose. Mainstream media is out to make you think that crypto is a scam. Mainstream media is out to make you think like you belong on the left side of the fence as opposed to the right side of the fence, and that you're not going to get rich in crypto. Crypto is going to make you poor. Crypto's for criminals. My goodness. Do you see all of the institutions loading up on cryptocurrency right now? Do you see all of the whales loading up on cryptocurrency? Who the heck are you going to trust? Some author, and I'm being very, very nice, calling him an author, at the Los Angeles Times, writing this hit piece that we're going to go over, or the billions of dollars in institutional inflows. Because it's obvious that they want to shake retail out right now so that institutions can make trillions of dollars in the coming years, and retail sits back and remains poor, just like the poor little souls that we're meant to be. We're going to be talking about this article in this video, and we're going to be going over some pre-sales that I think really could make people a lot of money in the upcoming bull market. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got this article on the screen right now, and I don't want to give it too much attention because I believe this author is extremely biased. I believe they have their own intentions, and I believe they want you to think that cryptocurrency is no more. You know what they did? I was here throughout 2017 into 2021. I've been here since 2021 on YouTube specifically, and I've been discussing cryptocurrency every single day. When they convince all of the retail sector to get out, that's when the bottom is in. And that's when the prices rise. And that's when you and I miss out, because we're the stupid fools who sold when they told us to. Now, it says that the other feature is deception. All right? And this is talking about the politics supporting cryptocurrency right now. The top of the article summarized it. But I want to talk about this. Crypto advocates relentlessly flogged the claim that 52 million adult Americans are crypto owners, supposedly a single-issue voting bloc that politicians need to recognize. This figure comes from a poll commissioned by the crypto firm Coinbase and would be equivalent to about 20% of the U.S. adult population. It's manifestly absurd. The Federal Reserve did their own poll. In the Federal Reserve's poll, only 7% of adults bought or held crypto in 2023. So two completely different polls. But instead of taking an average or instead of doing their own poll, we're going to trust the lower one in this article. Because the one that says more people own cryptocurrency is that's a fraud. It's a sham. It's a lie. You know, I bet if I did my poll right here and said, hey guys, how many of you own cryptocurrency? I've actually done that out on X. It was like 98% of all of the respondents own cryptocurrency. So yes, these numbers can be skewed by who is doing it, but it's pretty stupid to trust the lower one just because it's lower. And it goes out there and perpetuates your idea better than the other one. So that would mean only 18 million adults own cryptocurrency. See, this is actually working out better for us because if we were able to reach a $70,000 Bitcoin, if we're talking about a $3 trillion industry and only 7% of the population owns cryptocurrency, imagine what is going to happen when people buy in. Imagine what is going to happen when the population does embrace cryptocurrency. Oh my gosh. And it says only 1% of adults use crypto to buy or make any payments. Therefore, cryptocurrency, here's the truth about it. That's to point out to a fundamental truth about crypto. This author, and I'm being very nice calling them an author, says that they can determine a fundamental truth based on crypto from their fraudulent polls here. No one has yet identified a serious use for it in the real world, or at least in the world of legitimate finance. Cryptocurrency remains the tender of choice for criminals, including ransomware gangs. Guys, that's all I need to see in this article. I have literally zero respect for people who write articles like this, as much respect as they give the cryptocurrency industry, right? I actually have less for them because they're actually out there perpetuating this idea and calling me a criminal for believing in cryptocurrency, for believing in decentralized finance, for believing in a system that doesn't have complete and utter control by any one group. I'm labeled a criminal. Well, you know what? I'm going to label this author an idiot. It's just, there's no way else that I can say that without being even more disrespectful. So that's what I'm going to say about this guy right here. And you can actually read through the rest of this article, and I implore you to do so because you're going to see that it is filled with bias. You're going to see that it is filled with pushing you down a certain political agenda, and it doesn't lead to prosperity. It doesn't lead to growth. It leads to your own demonic demise, is the way that I see it. Now, cryptocurrency does have a space, and I don't think that these politicians would be wasting their time literally campaigning. Check out these headlines. When you look up cryptocurrency news, you get T-Man's big cryptocurrency bet. Crypto for advisors, crypto and politics in the United States. How 2024 became a crypto election. And then, of course, you have this hit piece by the Los Angeles Times right here. Guys, it is obvious, right? Even billionaire Mark Cuban issuing amazing Bitcoin and crypto predictions amid the current price crash. Cryptocurrency is at the forefront of the 2024 election. One side is trying to tell you that it's for ransomware users, it's for scammers, it's for criminals, and I take offense to being labeled by that. And if somebody with any reputation whatsoever labeled me with that, I might care. But because it's a Los Angeles Times hit piece, I think it's ridiculous. Now, something like Pepe Unchained, this would drive that author insane. You know, he's probably shrieking in his bedroom right now, knowing that I'm mentioning Pepe Unchained in the same article that he wrote. Why? Because this is a meme coin. This is for the degenerates out there. This is for the guys who want to make money in the cryptocurrency space. How dare you want to make money in the cryptocurrency space? Man, what a tragedy. Pepe Unchained is a layer 2 blockchain, meaning that it's got its own dedicated block explorer. It's 100 times faster than Ethereum, lowest transaction fees in the industry, and instant bridging between the Ethereum, the layer 1 blockchain, and Pepe Unchained here. But Pepe Unchained is a layer 2 blockchain built specifically for meme coins. Guys, people in the crypto space right now, they know that retail investors are going to return. And they know that retail investors don't necessarily go out and buy a full Bitcoin or go out and buy a full Ethereum and play with the blue chips. They want to make money. And the place that you can make the most money is in these little meme coins. And Pepe Unchained is making it very clear. Being able to raise $6.8 million in just a few weeks, these guys are serious about what they're building, and they are building a community as well. You can come out, you can see that they're doing so on X. They've already got, 9,000 followers out on X, nearly 10,000 followers achieved just in the last month or so. These guys are doing an amazing job, and I know that hit piece author out there, like I say, author's a very nice word. That hit piece author out there is shrieking, knowing that there's a lot of people that are going to make a lot of money, and he's stuck writing articles like that. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.